TOS Day is an attempt to discover the most up-to-date information and guidelines regarding thoracic outlet syndrome, while also doing this in the shortest period of time. Thoracic outlet syndrome is a common and controversial disease with uncertain diagnosis and treatment. On TOS Day, we will be enlightened by distinguished speakers who are international experts and professors from different specialties from around the world. One of these distinguished speakers is Professor Susanna Arani. She is a Hungarian citizen and she trained and studied in the USA and Switzerland and Hungary. She was the head of a special research group studying the peripheral nervous system for 3 years. Currently, she is a full-time professor and the head of the Laboratory of Clinical Neurophysiology in Semmelweis University in Hungary.